Okay, so this is installation of a chandelier from Restoration Hardware. It's a decent chandelier. Looks like it's the Fontanelle, round 40-inch or 48. So you got to get a ladder. Then you got to measure how high you want the chandelier to hang. And then you got to work out your cord and your chain if you're using any. And then you mount, once you get that set up, you're going to install that little lock ring. You're going to install your canopy on the cord and your chain. And then you'll feed the wire through through that part, the part that actually holds the fixture. Secure it to the fixture. Make sure you got the lock nut there before you do all this. Lock nut, canopy, and then tighten this down. Make sure it's all secure. It's not going to come apart. And if you're all by yourself, take it all in one arm. Carry it up there. Don't be scared. Just take it up there and hold it and do the best you can. Here I was able to use my arm to hold the chandelier while holding the canopy, and I was able to pre-drill some holes for screws.
That looks fun. Yeah. Is it heavy? It's a little heavy.
That's my helper. He's making sure I'm doing okay. But anyway, make sure you screw into a 2x4. That way it's holding nice and strong. You got something secure to hold the heavy light fixture from. You can't just screw it to sheetrock. You got to have some framing up there to screw it into. So now you got to also make sure your wire is not pinched by the mounting bracket, and there's a little space, the little gap there you can feed the wire through, and it works just fine. Do your wiring, tighten your lock nut there, and assemble the light fixture, put on all the little pieces, bits and pieces, all the decorative stuff, the light bulbs. It comes with these light bulbs. And of course you got the little glass globes or whatever, and there's your finished product. Thanks you.